So hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ankita and Cool World, and my name is Cool World and I'm 10 years old. Can you guess what I'm going to do with my mommy? I'm going to learn favorite recipe with my mommy, and recipes is a surprise. So first of all, you need to put on the gas. I took my mommy's help. Put the pan on the gas. Pour 500 ml milk into the bowl. So now I am going to pour the milk in the pan. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's done. Let it boil for at least 10 minutes. So I took this custard powder and I'm going to pour in the bowl. So you need to pour it into the bowl. Now you need to put the water to avoid lumps. Mix it well till the powder dissolves. Now add this much sugar into the milk. And mix it. Now we need to add custard powder milk in the solution. Mix it well. Now it is thick, that means it is done. Now we need to whip this cream with a whipping machine. So this is the whipping machine. We have to whip this cream for 7 minutes. Now our whipping cream is done. Now we need to pour this cream in this bowl. Now we have to mix it with the help of whipping machine. It is ready, and now you need to add dry fruits, or you can add food coloring for make it attractive. You need to put the bowl in the freezer in the airtime box for 1 day. Then eat yummy ice cream. Bye. And that's for it today. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.